Junaid from Meninfluencer, and this is a step-by-step instructions on how to use the Lumin products in the morning. So the first product you use is the charcoal face wash, and this product is a daily detox. So all you do is that you apply on your face, because after long nights of rest there's always a little bit of oil and dirt build up, because some people even sweat a little bit. And then all you do is to apply on your face like this on both sides, massage it in a little bit, also apply a little bit of water, as you can see, because now it's getting a bit more foamy. And this way you can really make sure that in the morning you give your skin a daily detox, just to get rid of all of the oil buildup, all of the dirt buildup, because after this we can start to build when it comes to our skin. So now let me wash it off and pat dry my skin. The next product that you use is the charcoal scrub, and this is a deep detox. So I only use this product once or twice per week, and just for the purpose of this video I will use it, but don't overuse it, because when it comes to this product you give your skin a deep detox. It really goes in your skin, deep inside of your pores, to really make sure they are clean. So I only apply a little bit of this on my finger, there we go, and then I target the area where I want to apply this. So I'm literally going to apply it all over my face, and this way, as you're exfoliating your face, as you're pressurizing your face, make sure you don't put too much pressure. Everyone's skin is different. If you're someone that has sensitive skin, don't apply too much force. While if you're someone that knows, hey, I can handle more, feel free to apply a little bit more pressure. And basically what it is doing is that it is cleaning your skin, getting rid of all of the dead skin cells, and this way your skin can regenerate. And that's why you only want to use this 2 times per week. Because if you have a good look here, you can see that this is all of the dead skin cells. So let me wash my face, pat dry my face, and then we're going to move on to the next product. Alright. And the next product would be a moisturizer. So for most individuals, the best option is the daily face moisturizer. But since I'm about to head out to shoot some content in central London, I'm going to use the super light moisturizer, because the sun is out and I don't want to end up sweating too much. Even though the daily face moisturizer is good, when it comes to the light moisturizer, it is extremely light. Another option that you've got is the extra strength moisturizer, and this one's perfect, especially during winter time, or especially for those individuals whose skin is too dry and they need the extra moisture. Because I'm going outside and the sun is out, I'm gonna use the super light moisturizer. So all I'm gonna do is to squirt it out in my hands, and I'm only gonna apply a little bit. And when it comes to this one, this instantly vanishes on my skin. Whilst when it comes to the other Lumin moisturizers, it doesn't do that. Make sure it's evenly distributed. There we go. And the next 2 products are optional products. So the first one is an instant redness corrector. So if you're someone that has redness anywhere on your skin, by using a green color corrector, it instantly neutralizes redness. And for those individuals that instantly want to get rid of dark circle, you can use the instant dark circle corrector. And this is a yellow color corrector that instantly neutralizes dark circles. But since I don't really have any redness on my skin, but I do have this little pimple over here, I'll apply it on my pimple so you can see it for yourself. Alright, let me squirt it out. There we go. And let me apply it over here. There we go. And as you can see, obviously the pimple is still here, but it has vanished quite a lot. And I don't really have dark circles today, so there's no reason for me to use that product. Although I do always like to use the next product, and this is the Dark Circle Defense Balm. Whilst the previous product is a yellow color neutralizer to get rid of all of the darkness, this is a balm that generally defends you against dark circles. So let me get it out. There we go. And all I have to do is to apply it under my eyes. There we go. And this way I just make sure my under eyes are moisturized and I can defend them. And that's pretty much it when it comes to the Lumin morning routine. If you're someone that's interested in the Lumin products yourself, they do have an exclusive free trial, and I will have it linked down below. And this way you can check out the Lumin products completely for free for yourself and see for yourself whether it's worth it as an investment. In my opinion, the products are extremely useful, made of extremely high quality, and every single one of my friends that ended up trying the Lumin products is addicted to the skincare lifestyle. So anyways, I hope this video was useful and informative. If it was, please leave a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm and help your brother out. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.